Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video we have a look of Tron TRX crypto. What's the price prediction, what's the high change, and what is the price change occur in TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour, last 2 hour, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold TRX crypto. In this video I will show you with a live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel first for more this kind of latest news and update. If you listen my voice, so please subscribe my channel and don't ignore my words. Now let's see the price prediction of TRX crypto. After that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold TRX crypto. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of TRX in the previous last 1 hour. Friends, if we look the chart analysis of TRX crypto, so friends, it is clear that it goes up. As you can see here, goes up absolutely a high jump, take a high jump in the previous last 1 hour. Friends, so if we see the average change of TRX, so the average change is about positive 2.73% change occur in the TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of TRX is about $0.138023 is the high price of TRX in the previous last 1 hour. Friends, now let's see the price prediction of previous 2 hour of TRX crypto. What's the price change occur in the TRX crypto? As you can see here, absolutely good change occur in TRX crypto. As you can see here, jumping upward in the previous last 1 hour, also jumping, and in the previous last 2 hour is now, as you can see on the graph, they are also in the jumping. So friends, if we look the average change of TRX in the previous last 2 hours, so the average change of TRX crypto is about 4.08% change occur in TRX in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of TRX is about $0.138023 is the high price of TRX crypto. So friends, for decision of buying, sell or hold, we have to look the last 7 days, the last week price prediction of TRX crypto in the market of cryptocurrencies. So friends, first of all, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please click subscribe button for my heart, please wish my heart, and please subscribe my channel and also like this video. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of previous last 7 days. So friend, it's clear decision for all of TRX holders. As you can see here, that is a start in the start of April. As you can see here, today is 1st April. They start jumping upward. As you can see here, start jumping, and now currently is 5th April. So they are also in the jumping. So friends, the one talk is clear that TRX crypto start jumping upward in the April. As you can see here, that is 30 March, so they are fast down. As you can see here, and as you can see here, at this time of 1 April they start jumping upward. So friends, if we see the average change of TRX crypto, so the average change is about $110.85% change occur in TRX in the previous last 1 month, and the high price of TRX is about $0.138037 is the high price of TRX. Absolutely good change occur in TRX crypto. So friends, according to the price prediction of previous last 1 week, it is clear that TRX crypto for jumping upward, it's time of jumping of TRX crypto. So my suggestion for all of TRX holders, so hold your TRX with the last of this month, and if you want to buy TRX, so it is the best time to buy TRX crypto and make a good amount of profit. As you can see here, the continuously jumping of TRX crypto, that will make you a millionaire in the start of this month. As you can see here, hold it with the end of month because they are jumping upward in the April. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.